Hello, welcome to Cindy's Corner. Once again, this is Mindy. I'm in Cindy's Corner. And in Cindy's Corner, we talk about numbers because numbers are fun, but other than numbers being fun, numbers and math are necessary in everyday life. I usually talk about adding versus multiplication. Today, we're going to focus on multiplying. But we'll start with this 6 plus 3 equals 9. That's adding. We know that. 6 times 3, the sign changes, is 18. Because if we had 3 boxes with 6 items in each, we would have 18 items. Today we'll go a step further, and we're going to multiply not only ones columns, but hundreds, tens, and one. Let's say we have 350 pieces of coal. C-O-A-L, coal. We have 350 pieces of coal. And we have 2 boxes. In each box, there are 350 pieces. But we have 2 boxes. How many pieces of coal do we have? Multiply. 2 boxes, in each box is 350 pieces of coal. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 10, 2 times 5 is 10. 0, carry a 1. 2 times 3 is 6, adding the 1. We have 700 pieces of coal because there's 350 in each box. What if we had 5 boxes of coal? And in each box, 350 pieces of coal. We'll multiply by 5 to find out how many pieces of coal we actually have. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. We're going to put the 5 here and carry a 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 1750. So we have 1,750 pieces of coal all together, because we have 350 pieces of coal in each box. What if we had 850 euros? 850 euros, but we had 850 euros in 5 different banks. 850 euros. And we have them 850 euros in 5 banks. How many do we have altogether? 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 5. We carry the 2. 8 times 5 is 40. With 2, we will have 4,250 euros. This is multiplying with the hundreds column, the tens column, and the ones column. 850 times 5 is a total of 4,250. Let's say we have 70 apples. 70 apples. Delivered to a store. But we tell the person who's going to do the delivering and the packing that we want 70 apples in each bag. But we want 25 bags. 70 apples in 25 bags. We're going to multiply. How many apples will we have altogether? 5 times 0 is 0. You carry a 2. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 is 37. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 7 is 14. How many apples do we have altogether? If we order 25 boxes and we tell them we want 70 apples in each box, how many apples will we have altogether? What's the final answer? We have to add all together. We will have 1,770 apples. If we take those apples, the 1,770 apples, that's how many apples we will have. We have 70 apples in 25 boxes. We will have 1,770 apples. Now, if I want to sell them, I know that in those 25 boxes, I have 1,770 apples. And I want to sell them at $3 per apple. $3 per apple. $3 per apple. How much will I have? 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. I'm going to carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21, plus the 2 is 23. Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. If we sold each apple for $3, what we will make is $5,310. Just a simple, small testing of multiplying with tens, column, 100 column, 1,000 column. Different examples of multiplying to find out information. Everyday life things. We take 3 suits to the cleaners. 3 suits. We're taking 3 suits to the cleaners. The person who's going to do the cleaning says, well, these are nice suits. I'm going to charge you $10 to dry clean each suit. You have 3 suits. He's going to charge you $10 to dry clean each suit. How much will you have to pay altogether? Correct, $30. So I'm putting these up here because I want you to get your pencil and papers. Welcome to Cindy's Corner. I want to make you get your pencils and papers. Go over these examples of multiplication. Still the basis of multiplication. Go over these examples of multiplication. Get familiar with the process. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to explain? Hit the like button, share. And I really appreciate you coming to this channel. Really appreciate you. And we're doing things to realize what numbers and what math means in everyday life and how it can help you and how it can profit you to know ahead of time what you're doing when you're dealing with numbers in business and everyday life. Go over the video again, get your pencils and papers, go over the examples of multiplication, and I'll see you in the next video. You are appreciated. Thank you for coming to Cindy's Corner.